Have you ever felt profoundly lonely, even when surrounded by people, perhaps even by those you love most? Or are your relationships constantly plagued by conflict, leaving you feeling drained and disconnected? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that touches us all: relationship conflicts and the quiet ache of loneliness. But more importantly, we're going to uncover the biblical key to transforming these struggles into genuine connection and profound peace. It's a harsh reality. Many of us experience deep loneliness within relationships. It's not just about being physically alone, it's about a lack of true understanding, emotional intimacy, and feeling truly seen. And often, this emptiness is born from unresolved conflict. The world often tells us to compromise or communicate better, but often these surface-level fixes don't address the root causes that keep us locked in cycles of argument and isolation. So, what is that root cause? The Bible gives us a profound answer. Many, if not most, relationship conflicts stem from selfishness, from placing our own desires, our own need to be right, or our own comfort above the needs and feelings of others. Think of 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 5, which says, "Love does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs." When we act selfishly, we break this divine blueprint for love. This leads to arguments, resentment, and ultimately that feeling of loneliness. So, what's the biblical key to overcoming this? It's really multifaceted, but at its heart are three powerful principles: forgiveness, humility, and empathy. Firstly, forgiveness. Colossians chapter 3 verse 13 commands us to bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. You know, holding on to grudges is like carrying a heavy chain, and it keeps us from true connection. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting, it's about releasing the right to get even, opening the door for healing and breaking the cycle of conflict. Secondly, humility. Philippians chapter 2 verse 3 tells us to do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves. When we approach conflicts with humility, we're open to seeing the other person's perspective, admitting our own faults, and honestly seeking genuine understanding. This really melts away walls and combats loneliness. Thirdly, genuine empathy and active listening. This means truly hearing the other person's heart, not just waiting for your turn to speak. When someone feels truly heard and understood, the seeds of loneliness just can't take root. This kind of empathy fosters true connection and reduces conflict. When you actively apply these biblical truths, something miraculous happens. The constant arguments begin to fade, and the crushing weight of loneliness lifts. You move from a place of isolation to genuine intimacy, understanding, and profound peace in your relationships. God designed us for connection, not isolation. He wants your relationships to flourish, and He's given us the tools in His Word to make that happen. You are truly not alone in this journey. If this message resonated with you, please like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear it. This really helps us reach more people with biblical truth. And if you want to keep transforming your life and relationships with God's Word, make sure to subscribe to Biblical Truth Revealed and hit that notification bell. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest relationship challenge you're currently facing, or how has God helped you overcome loneliness? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's build a community of support and growth together.